Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for 6 in this vehicle. And you have power controls back here to fold the seats for you. You can have a ton of cargo room. They get their own cup holders and cubbies. And you have a 12-volt power outlet there. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. And then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2 comfortably with cup holders, cubby, and this sort of center console that folds out like a little table. And you can remove this tray to access a deeper storage area there as well. And then looking into the middle up here, you have your rear climate controls, and you do have heated second row seats, 12-volt power outlet, 110-volt power outlet. This vehicle also has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 115,351 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can cycle through your RPMs and oil temperature, four-wheel drive status, distance to empty. Then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assistance settings and features, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, so you have a ton of options there for whatever you want to listen to. In the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. And in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. And then last but not least, you do have your Bluetooth phone controls here. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then all of your physical media controls and climate controls. Again, dual zone climate. Then you have this compartment down here with your 12-volt, 2 USBs, auxiliary, and SD card slots, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders and your terrain selector here, as well as having hill descent in the center there. And your terrain options are mud, rut, sand mode, snow, gravel, grass. So you can take on some sort of more advanced terrains there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another 12-volt inside. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.